Hey everyone, welcome back. Let us continue with wherever we stopped. We were doing pattern 6. First of all, kudos to whoever solved this pattern by yourself. Let us see the solution now. As always, let us fill up the empty spaces here. Just write this here. Yes, we form the matrix, indexes as well. 3. We are good. Let us write down the table here. Row representing I, and we need spaces count as well, and these spaces count will be prefixed spaces, and the number of stars in each row. For row 0, we have 3 prefixed stars and then 1 star. For row 1, 2 spaces, 3 stars. For row 2, 1 space, 5 stars. For row 3, we don't have any spaces and we have 7 stars. We are done with forming a table. Let us form the logic for spaces and stars now. We know row always starts from 0 goes till n. We need a logic for spaces, and we have already seen this pattern where the number is getting decreased from n to 0. We can directly write this as n minus I minus 1. Let me check whether this formula holds good for all the numbers. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Yes, this holds good. 4 minus 1 3. 3 minus 1 2. 4 minus 2 2. 2 minus 1 1. 4 minus 3 1. 1 minus 1 0. Yes, all the numbers holds good for this formula. We are good with spaces. Now we need to write a formula for stars. And if you observe the pattern in the numbers here, all the numbers are of odd numbers. How can we get an odd number? We can directly multiply some number with 2 and we'll add 1 to make it odd. That's it. We can follow the same rule here. We just need to find out this number. What could be this number here? Can't we consider this number as I? Let me check whether this formula holds good for these numbers or not. For I0, this becomes 0 and we will be adding 1, which becomes 1. Yes, this holds good. The first value holds good. Then the second value. 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Yes, all the numbers are holding good here. So we can directly consider this as 2 into I plus 1. That's it. We framed the logic for both spaces and stars. Let me just write down an algorithm for this. We will be writing a row loop here. Let me just consider it as row itself. Starts from 0, goes till n, and gets incremented after completing the row. As we have already discussed, since we have a spaces that are prefixed, we will be writing a separate for loop to print those spaces. And this space loop will go till n minus I minus 1. Print space without new line. We are done with space loop. Once we are good with space loop, we will be printing a star for that particular row. And this star starts from 0, goes till 2 into I plus 1. Print star without a new line character. And after printing the space and star for that particular row, we need to print a new line. We are good with algorithm. Let me just go back to IntelliJ and let us try to code it. My screen is switched. Public static void pattern 6, which takes in an input parameter n for row equals 0, row lesser than n, row plus plus. Inside a row loop, we need to print a prefixed spaces for base equals 0, base lesser than n minus row minus 1, base plus plus. Print base without a new line character. And after completely printing all the spaces, we need to print stars for int star starts from 0, goes till 2 into row plus 1 star plus plus. Print star without new line character. And after printing the spaces and stars, we need a new line character. We are good with the function. We are starting row loop, then spaces, then stars. Yep, we are good here. Pattern 6 of 4. I'm running the program. Yes, it's printing the expected pattern. And I want to mention one thing here. So this is not same as pattern 4, where we were printing a space after a star. Let me just show you the difference between these two patterns. I'll just put a new line here. If I run it, see, these two patterns are not one and the same, because in every row the number of stars are differing. I hope so far the things are good. Let us move on to our next pattern. Pattern 7. And I won't be solving this pattern. You guys need to solve it by yourself. I'll just give the pattern here. Input for this pattern is same as previous ones, which is 4. Try it out by yourself. You can do it. If you're not able to do it, please do watch all my previous videos. You can definitely do it. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.